Hi, my name is Emanuel Dietrich. I'm a managing partner at LÖBNER. That is a German brand that we present here at Time to Watches.
What do we see here?
We see here an historic piece of LÖBNER that was specialized in short time keeping. And this is actually a chronograph from 1881 that was able to measure the hundredth of a second. And that was a very good, big success of a brand that established it as a leader in short time measurement in this field. And who contributed to the very rich history in sports, military and science of a brand.
So maybe the first races were measured with this?
Yes, absolutely. Not just races, but also a lot in science and military, because back then it was very important. And at the start of the 20th century, it became much more centered on sports and performance. And that's why we have this car of Mercedes, because, for example, they recorded the time of this attempt to break the world record by Mercedes in 1938. That was a success, and they had they attained the mark of 432 kilometers an hour. That's why we made this piece, this chronograph, that is an homage to this performance, and that's why we have here the red dot at the speed they reached. So
what do we see here? What is the technology you're implementing?
So this is a mechanical chronograph with a Joux-Perret movement, modified movement. And what we did is to have a design that really, I am upside down. Yeah. But what we do is that we focus on the chronograph function with the hours and minutes that are set back in the background at 10 o'clock, so that we really have the focus on the big chronograph hand and its movements. That's very important for us because it's in first line a chronograph that also shows the time. And then we have a second feature that is very interesting. It's the chron protection that is sliding back and forth. And when you open the chron protection, it prevents you to start the chronograph while setting the time, what is not good for the movement.
Nice.
So this version has also the silver look of the silver arrows of the cars, but we have different finishes that are with different colors of dial. Here you have on the rubber bands the blue dial, that is also very nice. Or this one has the black and the black ceramic bezel with the tachymeter.
Nice.
This year we also added a new line to this, that is a free-hands model that keeps the same attributes like the chron protector that is sliding up and down. A very strong design with a kind of Bauhaus style, very German-like, and also this nice feature of a rotative bezel that allows you to set the time to measure minutes time, to have a small chronometry function inside a freehand watch.
Can we see behind?
Yes, this one is with a closed back, and we also use Joux-Perret movements inside.
So automatic?
Yes, automatic wounded movements, absolutely.
Nice. What do we see here?
Here we have the same chronograph with a black dial and with the rubber bands.
So what is your market and where can people get it?
So we started the distribution together with Boucherer. So we are distributed at Boucherer in Switzerland, in Zurich and in Germany, in 5 cities. And we are here to expand the distribution and expand to further markets. Especially, I think, Asia is our main priority, and the JCC.
So how do you connect with the distributors in Asia?
Well, I have a previous experience with my own brand, so I have already contact with the distribution, and we are naturally here also to meet new people and make new contacts.